Today, we will be unboxing the DJI Mic Mini. So I am excited to open this because we are going to a vacation in a few months. So yeah, we are planning to have, high quality sounds. And yeah, it looks like that this microphone is the best fit for us. So in the front, it looks like the whole thing is inside a case, which is really nice that we are able to have it all in one. And yeah, this is the transmitter. It looks like the two microphones, and I heard that there are like those feather ones that reduces the wind sounds. So yeah, we can look at the back. Yeah, there you go. You can see all of the features at the top. It looks like it's small. It only weighs 10 grams. It has high quality audio with stable transmission. 48-hour operation with the case. That is really good because especially when you're going on trips, on like tours, that is really good that it will last that long. It also is it looks like it's compatible with the Osmo. Yeah, it's direct connection for premium sounds. I'm not sure what that means, but it also has a 2-level active noise cancelling, or I guess it's like how AirPods have noise cancelling. That's cool. And it has an automatic limiting to prevent audio chip clipping. Nice. And inside the box, it has a receiver, transmitter, a charging case, a carrying pouch, a clip magnet, mobile phone adapter of Type-C, a windscreen, that's what I'm talking about, camera audio cable, a USB Type-C charging cable, and some documents. Now, it's really good that it's made for iPhone because I am using an iPhone. And yeah, let's open it. So I don't have a cutting blade, but I guess we will use our bare hands. Hold. Yeah, I think it would be easier to use a cutting blade. So I don't have a cutter, but I can use scissors instead. Ooh. I really like the boxes. It has a weight to it, so that's a good sign. Can open it up here. Oh, okay. So these are all of the documents. Oh, it has a sticker. That's nice. You can see the manual, or what they call documents. Okay, I really like that sticker. That looks so cool. So it has like a quick start guide and some junk. Okay, yeah, it has the instructions. I see. Yeah, we can go to that later, but for now we can focus on the actual stuff. So I like how it comes in a bag, so that it won't, like, everything won't spill. Oh my goodness, everything comes in here. It's like it's showing that you can just use this to grab everything, to have everything inside. That's really nice. That's a zipper. Oh wow, there you go. Ooh, wow, I really like the bag. The texture is so good. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, it even has a zipper inside. You can put like a charger inside, or any accessories. And oh, there's like these small pockets. That's really cool. Okay, now, so from that bag we have 3 items. This one, I believe is the wind. Was that the wind speakers? I forgot the name. Oh, the windscreen. Yeah, the windscreen. And this one, I believe, is the charger and the AUX connector. Can open that up. Yep, that is cool. Okay, and this one, yeah, is the windscreen. See right here, it's really fluffy. And yeah, there's, oh, it comes in two pairs, a black pair and a gray pair. That's nice. That is so cool. Now, yes, now this one is the charging the charging case. Now let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Ooh. So it says press to unlock. Okay, but I think it's just an indicator that you have to press. Okay, so it's US Type C charging. Now let's peel this off. Okay, so you press and unlock. Ooh, that is sick, man. That's so cool. So, oh, I don't have good lighting, but inside it says, yeah, on and off for 2 seconds. Noise reduction, just one tap. Oh, so yeah, I can pull these ones off. Oh my god, it's so good. Ooh, that is so cool. Yeah, it is pretty light. I like it. And this is the magnet. Oh, it's hard to remove. Ooh, oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. And yeah, it clips on anything too. Nice. So it says hold for 2 seconds to turn it on and off. I think right now it's turned on, so we can try turning it off. Seconds. Yeah, now it's off. Now it's on. Cool. Okay. Now this is the other one. All right, and this is the transmitter. Pretty cool. Oh wow. So it's easy to remove too. Whoa, and it snaps. That is nice. And it clips on something. Wow. It's easy to clip. Okay. And I like how it adjusts. I'm not sure what that is for, but we can experiment on that later on. That's cool. I'll just set it to 0. And I like how you can just snap it. Oh, it's this way. That's so cool. And there's, oh, wait a second. I think there are 2 slots for a USB-C. Wow, what's that? What's that called? Yeah, there are 2. I think there are 2 slots for 2 adapters. One is the Type C, and the other one you can see right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a slot right here, which I believe you can remove the rubber and place the US Types. No, the Lightning adapter in there. That's interesting. Did I place it in the wrong way? It's that way. No. Or you just push it there. Okay. Nice. Can move that. That is so cool. Wow. Okay, now let's try to connect this to our iPhone and see what it sounds like. So I believe that we can pair it to our iPhone through Bluetooth, but I heard that it doesn't sound that good compared to directly to the transmitter. So, but right now my iPhone does not support US Type-C connector. So for now, let's just try to connect it through Bluetooth. Oh yeah, I want to try what it looks like with these windscreens. I think you just do that, press it like this. I don't know how exactly you push it. This is a magnet. Oh wait a second, let's try. Just push it like this. Oh, there you go. It snaps. It snaps to it. That is so cool. Now I don't know how durable these are because as you can see, I think it's just glued in. So hopefully these fibers don't, I think I already just saw one came out. But yeah, hopefully this stays as long as it could. Okay, now let's try to connect this microphone to my iPhone. So this is a mic check for the DJI Mic Mini, and currently I'm using the iPhone microphone. And yeah, mic test, mic test. And now I am using the DJI Mic Mini, and I hope it sounds good. This is the first time that I'm testing it because I just bought an iPhone. Oh no, I just bought a Lightning adapter. So that's basically from USB-C to Lightning. And yeah, hopefully it works. Mic test, mic test. Hello, my name is Sean Mangala, and this is a mic test for the DJI Mic Mini. Hope it sounds good, and yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching.